Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel Literature Adda. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe the channel. Today, I am going to introduce a new chapter, and the chapter name is A Letter to God. This is the very first chapter of your book First Flight of class 10th. In this chapter, we have to discuss about a faith on God. Everyone, being a human being, we have faith on God. But at what extent? Everyone have faith on God, but at what extent we have faith on God? In our childhood, some we used to write a letter to the Santa Claus that there was a conception that Santa Claus comes to the children and gives some present to them. So, at what extent we believe on God? So, this is a story of a man whose name was Lancho. Now, let's study the chapter in detail. Lencho was a farmer. He had field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. So in this chapter, we have to study about a man whose name was Lancho. Lancho lived in a hilly area where his house was topped on a crest, and his house was a single house on that valley. From that valley, he can see his crops that harvested by the Lancho, and he harvested a crops of corn, and his crops were ready to bloom, and he was expected some rain for that, and his crops needed some rain. You can say the shower at little mild rain or drizzle, or you can say the heavy downpour. So he was expecting a downpour or a light drizzle. So he was watching watching towards northeast on the sky. He was happy to see huge mountains of clouds. On northeast region, he saw a huge clouds are coming towards him, and he was expecting a good rain. And also, what he predicted, and rains it was raining. The rain was the first. It was he compared the drop of rain with rupees. He said that the little drop of rain is 5 cents, and the big drop of rain is of 20 cents. But but now the devastated has arrived. The air, or we can say that the wind arrived in a stronger way, and the and the hailstones has arrived. He expected that the hailstones soon will be stopped, but hailstones was there for an hour, and his crops were totally destroyed. His crop was destroyed by the hailstones. Then he discussed to his boy that even a plague of locusts can lift more than this. Now the corn was totally destroyed. The hail has left nothing. He did not understand what to do. Now in the night, he discussed with his wife that now we don't have any hope, how our family will die of hunger this night, then he was only hope of that help from the God. As Lencho was a farmer, but he can know how to write a letter. So, in the next Sunday, he decided to write a letter to God, and on that letter, he wrote to God that he needed 100 pesos because his crops has totally destroyed by the hailstorms. So, for the next crop and for the feeding of his family, he needs 100 pesos. He note down all the informations and drop the letter into the mailbox. And in the next following Sunday, the salesman, the postman, opened the letter and he was surprised by the address to God. In his life, he has watched so many letters but did not see such type of tremendous faith on God. First he started laughing, and after that he gave the letter to the postmaster. The postmaster was a fat and amiable. First, he also laughed first, and after that he was serious in nature. So he decided that what a faith, why I also could have faith like that, like Lencho. So he decided the faith should not be break, and he decided to write a reply from the behalf of God. When he opened the letter, he saw that the postmaster saw that the Lencho demanded of 100 pesos. So it is courage. It is not for replying the letter. It is not only for ink and paper. It required more than that. So the postmaster decided to give some part of his salary, as well as there is donations from his friend, and there are also some contributions from his employer. After all, instead of that, he collected only 70 pesos and he just signed a signature by God, and he put down the all money in the envelope. And in the next, or we can say the following Sunday, Lencho comes into the post office early in the morning, and he told to the postman that any letter has arrived of his name. Then the postman gives the letter to the Lencho, and he wanted to see the reactions of Lencho. Lencho was not surprised. Lencho was not surprised that the suppose we at least write the letter, but we cannot expect a reply from God. But that was a untarnished, you can say untarnished belief on God. So he was not surprised that God had reply of his letter. He opened the letter. Lencho opened the letter, and he saw that there was only 70 peso. He was not surprised that God sent him the letter as well as the money, but he was angry when he count the money. He count the money, only 70 pesos was there. He said to himself that God can never commit a mistake. So he again demanded a pen and paper from the postman, and started writing. And in that letter, he wrote that God, whatever money that I have demanded from you, I have received only 70 peso. So please send me the rest of the amount, because it is so urgent for my family. And this time not send the money from the post office, because this post office employer bunch of crooks. So in this letter, Lencho wrote that God to not to send the letter by the post office. He told to the God in the letter that the post office employees are dishonest. So this is the end of a letter. We can say that in conclusion, so Lenchu has a great faith on God. Everyone, every human beings have faith in God. We plead from the God. We have also some regret. We also cry sometime in front of God. But we don't have, being a normal human beings, we don't have such a great Father God that we can write a letter to God and we expect some reply from God. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.